How's it going, ladies and gentlemen and beautiful people? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Cash App to actually purchase Bitcoin and send that Bitcoin wherever you want to send it, whether it's to another person or with a trading broker or any other kind of crypto exchange. Whatever the case may be, you can actually use Cash App to do that. So first and foremost, what you're going to do is simply click on the button to the lower left side, right? Let's just say that you want to fund a broker or you wanted to send $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, all right, out. So that way you can get it to your broker, or you can send $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to purchase something from someone or to send it somewhere, whatever the case may be. The first thing you're going to do is click on Add Cash. You're then going to select the amount that you want to send by dollar amount. So let's just say in this example, we choose $100. So let's just say I wanted to send out $100 or fund the broker with $100. Of course, it'll be a little bit more if you're more serious about trading or whatever the case may be. But this is just for example purposes, right? What you're going to do from here, okay, is you're going to go right over, okay, to the Bitcoin button, which you will see on the lower right hand side. It is the second to last button on the bottom right. So what you're going to do from here is you're basically, all right, going to buy, okay, Bitcoin. So we funded it with $100, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin because we already have this $100 in the Cash App wallet, right? Let's say if you want to spend 500, 1,000, 10,000, whatever the case may be, okay, that's the amount that you're going to select to actually purchase your Bitcoin. As you can see over here on my account, it's up to 10,000 at once, right? So let me just click on next. All right, Face ID. This is going to make me confirm the transaction. And once it is confirmed, now I have $100 worth of Bitcoin added to whatever is in my Bitcoin wallet right here on Cash App. Okay, now at this point, you may want to send funds to a broker or whatever the case may be. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to go back to the button on the lower left-hand side. You're going to click on Bitcoin, right? And then you are going to scroll down. Now, for some of you, you may see something that reads enable withdrawal and deposits, okay? If you see that, that means you have not unlocked the feature yet, but it's all good. Just simply click on enable withdrawals and deposits and basically upload your identity verification and answer whatever questions they are asking you to answer. Within 24 hours, you should be good to go if all is well. And then from there, you can actually send out Bitcoin or deposit somewhere else. If you want to send your current Bitcoin funds from your Bitcoin wallet address in your Cash App to an external Bitcoin wallet address that perhaps belongs to your broker account, perhaps belong to someone who you're sending the funds to via Bitcoin, you're simply going to select on withdraw Bitcoin, right? You're going to then select the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. And if it's a broker or if you're sending it to somewhere, they're going to let you know exactly what BTC amount you need to send that's equivalent to the dollar amount you're trying to send, right? In this case, you can see that I only have 0.46 worth of Bitcoin available, right? So basically, you're going to select the numbers based on that, right? So 0.1, whatever the case may be, you're simply going to click on withdrawal, right? And then it's going to prompt you to scan a QR code. Now, if you don't have a QR code that you can send it to, but someone sent you a manual Bitcoin wallet address, then you can actually click in the bottom where it reads enter manually. And this is where you will enter the Bitcoin wallet address belonging to the Bitcoin wallet that you are actually trying to send these funds to. Once you enter that, and it could be basically a bunch of random letters and numbers, whatever the case may be, okay, you're then going to select next and confirm that transaction. Very simple. On the receiving end, they should be able to receive your Bitcoin within a matter of moments. And that is basically that. I recommend that you save the destination Bitcoin wallet address on paper in case if there is a problem on the receiving end of this transaction. So I hope this video was helpful enough and easy for you to understand. Please feel free to share this video with anyone who may be purchasing Bitcoin using Cash App, or maybe sending Bitcoin from their Cash App Bitcoin wallet address over to another Bitcoin wallet address. If you find this helpful, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much. Have yourself a wonderful day.